10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Political Science Unit 3, India's relations with other countries. What is explained in Article 51 of our Constitution? International peace and coexistence. Which is a big country which borders India? China. The relationship of India and China is associated with which civilization? Mesopotamia and Sindhu River civilization. The silk trade between China and India is discussed in which book? Kautilya's Arthashastra. What was the agreement that helped to enhance relations between India and China? Panchashila principles. A war broke out between India and China in 1962. Why? Due to the escalation of Tibetan crisis. What is the main bone of contentions between India and China? The insistence of China that Arunachal Pradesh belongs to it is the main bone of contentions between India and China. With the continued efforts of which countries, BRICS group of nations has been established? With the continued efforts of India and China, BRICS group of nations has been established. Which incident strengthened the relationship between India and China? The establishment of BRICS group of nations. Under which act India and Pakistan were created as separate sovereign states? Under the India Independence Act of 1947, India and China were created as separate sovereign states. What are the main disputes between India and Pakistan? Terrorism, Jammu and Kashmir issue, and water sharing are the main disputes between India and Pakistan. What factors helped to establish good relations between India and Pakistan? Tashkent Agreement, Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra, and Agra Conference helped to establish good relations between India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan have consistently engaged in bilateral talks but have failed to achieve the expected success. Why? Attacks on Indian Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack in 2008, and Pathankot attack in 2016. Due to all these reasons, the bilateral talks between India and Pakistan failed. India has cordial relationship with which country? India has cordial relationship with Russia. who had opposed China's invasion of India in 1962. USSR. During the Goa liberation in 1961, which country had supported India at UNO? USSR. What are the countries that signed the Tashkent Agreement? The Tashkent Agreement was signed between India and Pakistan. Who had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan in 1966? USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement, which was signed between India and Pakistan in the year 1966. What are the countries that signed an agreement of 20 years for peace and cooperation in 1971? India and USSR signed an agreement of 20 years for peace and cooperation in 1971. Who supported India for the establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants? USSR. Which country has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council? Russia. What are the two biggest countries with the world's two most democratic systems? India and USA. Which country has supported a lot to India's 5-year plans? USA. Which countries share mutual responsibility, strengthening UNO and maintenance of global peace? India and USA. How is India preparing its foreign policy with reference to USA? India keeps observing the policy shift in the two parties of USA, Democratic and Republican parties, and adjusts its policies in accordance to it.